In this video, I'll show you how to create a schedule in Connecteam. So first, make sure that you're logged in, and all you need to do, just go to this list panel, look for operations right here, and you'll find schedule. If you didn't find this, click on add new, and you should find this right here. Click on the plus on schedule. So for me, I'm clicking here on schedule, and I should find myself here. If it's your first time using schedule, you'll find go to schedule, click on it, and you'll be able to create yours. So if it's not your first time, you can click on add at the top right here. So once you click on add, you'll be able to create your schedule right easy. Like this, very easy. So click on next, you'll have to fill in some details. If you want to delete some fields here, just go and put them here like as optional fields. If you want to add some fields, you'll be able to. So you can also change whatever you want in these fields if you want to. Here you can basically how should the schedule look like, viewed by the user or job, structure, preview field, whatever you want to add or remove. And here's an example, you can choose your assignees, select some users here that you have, and select groups if you want to. And here is an example, your schedule is ready to go. So just go and click on create, and the schedule should be created successfully and very easy. You can go and access it all the time. If you go here to schedule, you'll find example all your schedules. Just click on the one that you want, click on access, and you'll be able to access it. And you can edit whatever you want on it. Here you have settings to edit settings. You'll have other things you'll be able to add, remove tasks, whatever you wanna do. So you can also add your shifts example, add shift details, and repeats example, or copy shifts, which is optional, and faster if you wanna do it. And yeah, once you're done, you're good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.